In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT 4 in Google Workspace. This is one of the simplest ways to bring AI into your daily workflow without installing anything complicated. If you already use tools like Google Docs, Gmail, Sheets, or Slides, you can pair them with ChatGPT right from your browser to help you write faster, improve wording, brainstorm ideas, or clean up content before adding it to your file. To get started, open ChatGPT in your web browser and sign into your account. This will be the space where you ask for help, generate text, or improve something you've already written. Think of ChatGPT as your writing assistant that stays open in one tab while you work in another. Next, open Google Workspace in a separate browser tab. You can use Google Docs if you're writing a document, Gmail if you're drafting an email, Sheets if you need help with text-based content for a spreadsheet, or Slides if you're building a presentation. Keeping both tabs open at the same time makes it easy to move back and forth without interrupting your workflow. Once both tabs are ready, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate or improve content. For example, you can paste in a rough draft and ask for a clearer version, request a more professional tone, or ask it to create content from scratch based on your goal. The better your prompt is, the more useful the result will be, so it helps to be specific about what you want, such as tone, length, or format. When ChatGPT gives you a response, review it carefully to make sure it matches what you need. Then copy the text and paste it into your Google Workspace file or Google Doc. From there, you can continue editing inside Google Workspace just like you normally would. This gives you the convenience of AI support while keeping your work inside the tools you already know. And that's really the core of the process. Open ChatGPT in one tab, open your Google Workspace app in another. Ask ChatGPT for content or revisions, then copy and paste the result into your file. It's a simple manual workflow, but it's effective, fast, and easy for beginners. This is one of the easiest ways to use ChatGPT with Google Workspace, especially if you want a straightforward setup with no extra extensions or advanced configuration. That is one of the ways to do it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.